Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Fun and Study Zone. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, and even I am too. So, guys, today is going to be a study video because last time we had fun by making a girl's figure by doing some fun, and thank you for your positive comments on that video. So, today we are going to have study, and of course, we are going to continue with our tenses series. So we are going to continue with tenses series. So without any further ado, let's begin. But before, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and also click the bell icon next to it. Get this video as many likes as you can and share it with your family and friends. Let's begin. So guys, today in this video we are going to learn about some special type of sentences which are in simple past. So we are going to start with an example. So the example is in Hindi, मैं वहाँ जाया करता था. And if we look at the English translation, so it says I used to go there. First of all, I would like you to observe the word which is underlined using red color, which is used to. You must have read these type of sentences in your novels or any paragraph article or anything like that, and you also must have used it somewhere, right? So first of all, we are going to look at the definition कि इन ये type के sentences हम कब construct करते हैं. So these sentences actually tell the things which we used to do in the past. For example, in the past, I used to play a lot. So I will write I used to play when I was young. So जब भी आप past में कोई चीज़ जो आप करते थे उसी को बताने के लिए हम इन टाइप के सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं, और इसलिए हम यूज्ड टू लगाते हैं बिकॉज आप वो चीज़ करा करते थे अपने पास्ट में. नाउ गाइज वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट ये सेंटेंसेस क्या काम करते हैं, बट इफ़ वी वांट टू मेक सच सेंटेंसेस, सो व्हाट इज़ द रूल दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो, राइट? सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर मस्ट बी सम रूल. सो लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द रूल. So guys, this is the rule which is written in green color. The rule says subject. I'm going to tell you with my example. I used to go there. So subject, first of all we all know subject that is doer. Subject important होता है sentence में. तो यहाँ पर मेरा जो subject है वो है I plus used to. Yes guys, used to आएगा. As you can see, use नहीं है, used है, because we are making simple past sentences. So subject plus used to plus verb की first form. As you can see, I have written I used to go there. Now since we are making past sentences, तो हम लोग second form क्यों नहीं लगा रहे हैं verb की? ऐसा इसलिए है guys, because if you observed, तो यहाँ पर है used to और टू आया है, राइट? और हमें पता है जब भी टू आ जाता है तो वर्ब की थर्ड सेकंड फॉर्म नहीं लगती है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगती है. सो दैट इज़ वाई यहाँ पर हमारे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगेगी, क्योंकि टू आया है, यूज्ड टू. सो या सब्जेक्ट प्लस यूज्ड टू प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स, और यहाँ पे मेरा एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड है देयर. सो इफ़ आई टैली विद माई एग्जाम्पल, तो मेरा सब्जेक्ट आई है, फिर मैंने रूल को फॉलो करते हुए यूज्ड टू भी लगाया है. देन आई हैव ऑल्सो अप्लाइड द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विच इज़ गो, नॉट वेंट, गो, एंड देन एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड इज़ देयर. Now guys, this was just a positive example, right? There are many examples like interrogative, negative. We also have to be aware that how to construct negative or interrogative sentences, right? So I have written few examples for all of you which are very easy and will help you to understand this concept in a better way. So let's take a look at the examples also. So first two are positive examples which are written in orange color. So the first one I am reading, she used to write articles. Over here मैं इस example को अपने rule से tally करती हूँ. I have written my subject that is she is also a pronoun, plus मैंने used to भी लगाया है, then मैंने rule को follow करते हुए verb की first form लगाई है and the extra word articles. So she used to write articles, same as the second one, they used to work there. So these two are positive examples. You can also say as declarative. Now guys, moving on to negative ones. I used not to walk. Yes guys. Now first of all, don't concentrate on the second one, concentrate on the first one. I used not to walk. Guys, over here ये जो negative sentences है हम उनको two types में लिख सकते हैं, right? So there are two ways through which you can write negative sentences. One of them is I used not to walk. I have written my subject. Then guys, यहाँ पर used to की जगह आ गया है used not to. It's just the difference. And then walk, my verb की first form, क्योंकि after all यहाँ पे to तो आया ही है and we all know कि to के बाद verb की first form लगती है. Extra words I have not applied. So simply the sentence is I used not to walk. Alright, let's move on to the second one. The second one is the different way, the second way through which you can write negative examples. So both of them are correct. Second one is Rama did not used to sing. Over here there are few things which you have to notice. First of all यहाँ पे मेरा did आ गया है तो ये मेरा second way है. So Rama did not. You can apply did not after the subject. Rama didn't use. Over here मैंने used to नहीं लगाया है. Even though my rule says that you have to apply used to, but as I have told you कि जब हमारा did आ जाता है या didn't आ जाता है तो हम verb की first form लगाते हैं और after all use या used to भी verb होता है. So that is why guys Rama did not use to sing और ये वाला verb की first form इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे to आया था. So guys I have already made a detailed video on did or did not, so I will give an I button, from there you can see. So I hope you guys understood both of the ways. The last one is interrogative. So the example is why used you to go there. Now interrogative को भी हम एक और वे में लिख सकते हैं, but this is another the first way. Why y आया है WH फैमिली का y, then मेरा used आया है, फिर मेरा subject you आया है, then y used you to, and since to आ गया तो उसके बाद verb की first form लगेगी. So I have applied go and an extra word there. So it's very easy, not difficult. This is another interrogative जिसमें WH family है. Why did Sheena? So over here first of all why आया है WH family का, then did आ गया है, यहाँ पर भी जैसे did आया था, so इस तरह से यहाँ पर भी did आया है. Why did, then my subject Sheena, और क्योंकि यहाँ पर मेरा did आ गया जिसने मेरा past का काम कर दिया, इसलिए guys अब हम लोग अपने verb की first form लगाएंगे. use या फिर used is also a verb, that is why यहाँ पे first form लगा है. Then following the rule to लगाया और to के बाद भी first form लगता है तो beat. Why did Sheena used to beat? These are the last two examples. Used Ram to teach. This is also an interrogative ones. इसमें WH family why where ये सब नहीं है और इसी को मैंने second way में भी लिखा है did Ram use to teach. So there are 2-3 ways through which you can write. All of them are easy. So guys, I hope you understood the whole concept, the special type of sentences, positive, negative and interrogative, and the rule too. So guys, I hope you loved the video. If you did so smash that like button, and yeah guys, we'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.